A financial literacy checklist can be a valuable tool to help you assess your knowledge and identify areas where you need to improve. Here's a step-by-step guide to creating your own. First, identify your goals. Short term, what do you want to achieve in the next few months or years? For example, saving for a vacation or paying off debt. Long term, what are your broader financial aspirations? Perhaps buying a home or retiring comfortably. Next, assess your current financial situation. Let's break it down. Income. How much money do you earn? Expenses. What are your regular costs? Debt. Do you have any outstanding loans or credit card balances? And finally, savings. How much money do you have saved? Now create a budget. Start by tracking your spending. Keep a record of all your expenses for a month. Then allocate funds. Determine how much you can afford to spend on different categories like housing, food, and transportation. And adjust as needed. Make changes to your budget if necessary to align it with your financial goals. All right, let's move on to reviewing your insurance coverage. First, health insurance. Do you have adequate coverage? Next, life insurance. Do you have enough to protect your loved ones? Then, homeowners or renters insurance. Is your property adequately insured? And finally, auto insurance. Do you have the right coverage and deductibles? Now let's dive into understanding investing basics. Risk tolerance. How comfortable are you with investing risk? Diversification. Do you understand the importance of spreading your investments across different asset classes? And lastly, retirement planning. Have you considered your retirement savings needs? Evaluate your credit. Check your credit report. Review your credit history for errors. Improve your credit score. If necessary, take steps to improve your credit worthiness. Consider estate planning. Do you have a will in place? Trusts. Should you consider setting up a trust? Beneficiaries. Have you designated beneficiaries for your assets? Seek professional advice. Financial advisor. If you have complex financial needs, consider consulting with a financial advisor. Remember, this is a general checklist. Your specific needs may vary. Regularly review and update your checklist as your financial situation changes.